This is Aisha and welcome to our 58th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about the packages in Kotlin programming language. So these packages are actually used to group together classes, interfaces, functions, variables, declarations, etc. So now packages can be created by using the keyword package, and then we will have the name of the package. So packages are actually used to create classes, functions, methods, interfaces together, and the packages group them together in a separate file, and we can use them by importing them into our file. So here you can see that we have two files. So inside this file I'm going to create a package by using the keyword package, and then we will have the name of the package, for example package example. Then whatever I will write in this file now will be the part of this package example package. Now for example, I'm going to create function fun my fun one, and it will have some body in which I'm going to create print line function. I'm going to use the print line statement, first function of package, and then I'm going to copy this function, my function 1, my function 2. I'm going to change the message to differentiate between them, and then I will have my function 3, and this is the third function of the package. So now these functions are the part of our package, and the name of the package is package example. So now I can use these functions from this or anywhere in the file, from this file, by importing the package. So how would you import the package? By using the keyword import, and then we will have the name of the package. For example, our name is package example, and now I want to use my function, so I will write dot. You can see we have my function 1, my function 2, my function 3 of this package. So I'm going to use my function 1. So now I can call my function 1 from this file, run the program, and you will have the output which says first function of the package. You can see first function of the package is printed. So what we did, we have created a package in which we have created 3 functions, and then we have called the first function by importing this function from this package by using the keyword import. Then import another function. Okay, let me tell you something different. My function 2, when I write my function 2, Kotlin will internally import my function 2. So this is, you can see my function 2 is automatically imported. Now we have another method to import these functions. For example, if you do not want to write these lines, these 3 lines, for example, for first function we have a separate line, for second function we have a separate line, we can write as import my. Okay, you can see here when I remove these lines we have an error. So the name of our package was package example, and then I can write the dot and then asterisk. So this means that I am importing everything from this package. So now I can use all these functions. I can write my fun 3, and you can see no additional line is added. So run, and these 3 functions will be called, the statement will be printed. You can see here the messages or the 3 functions are called, and we have first message, we have second message, and we have third message. So what we did in this tutorial, we have 2 files. In this file we have created a package, and whatever we write in this file will be the part of the package. Then we have imported our package. You can import the package by using the name, the function, the name of the function that you want to import, or you can simply use this symbol to import everything of the package. Then we have called this the function of the package from the main function. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.